Christ our Lord. Amen. The Lord be with you.
En chieng' tweyo mwa parogo sad mar Ruodhwa Yesu Kristo. To kochopo ndalo 40 to wabro biro celebrate chieng' Pasaka miluongo ni Easter. Emomiyo kawuono wabiro en Sap Buru manyisowa ni yani wan buru nwadoge buru.
Has become part and the culture of the people there, which is not the right culture. And I think these are moments where the government is doing its part by sending their military and others to stabilize the people. It is still our moment also as Catholic Church to continue what we have been doing there. One of the things that the Catholic Church does in such like areas is to give what they call the environment and also infrastructure that will help people go into learning, understanding God, and appreciating life with one another.